Hair loss and thinning hair definitely impacted my self-confidence. Your hair shows your personality, your style, and for women it's such a big part of your appearance and your way of behaving and all of it. The causes for my thinning hair are probably genetics. It runs in my family, and also probably stress related. I tried a few hair solutions like taking vitamins, hair nutrition, even installing water filters in my shower. They might have helped a little bit, but it's definitely not a permanent solution. I have 4 pieces of scalp filling in my hair right now, 2 on each side of my part line, here and here. I'm wearing a 20 inches seamless set to add some volume and length. After using the scalp fillings, I feel like I have more possibilities of styling my hair, and it's so natural. It definitely has a direct effect on your self-esteem and your confidence, and it really looks good.